This is the Bank Nifty daily charts. As you can see, a doji candle formed again. Last couple of days, market's been quite indecisive about where it's actually going. But again, a good day for us as sellers because the market didn't have too much movement. Let me take you how today went. So the market opened up at 36,639. It closed yesterday at 36,470. So the market jumped up. It took out this 550 odd levels support, resistance that was created by this big candle straight in the morning itself. And one of the things that I've been noticing over the last few days is the major move is happening in the morning and then the market's been flattening out. See, major move, markets flatten, major move, flatten. So again, today followed that exact same pattern. This zone was also taken out. Now, one of the things that we are looking at is this 38,500 odd levels, and we've got supports created at 36,300 odd levels. So today, in a sense, again, a day where we didn't have to do too much. It broke the up level in the first two candles itself, so we moved some calls behind, moved some puts forward, and essentially watched sort of decay kick in. Even though today we didn't get too much decay, straddle opened up at 747 and yesterday it closed at 804. So we got some overnight decay that kicked in, but through the day we didn't get too much decay. Market eventually closed, straddle closed at 717. Market closed at 36,613. So overall today was a day where, like the other days, we didn't have to do too much. We had to just sort of wait it out, see if there was any actions that were potentially coming in so that we could then form and build and adjust our trades. But since it didn't happen and we had a wide spread, again, we're not trading for the 16th expiry, we're trading for the 23rd expiry. Hence, the straddle prices are 700 and not 400 or so levels. So that's kind of how the day went. Now tomorrow again seems like an interesting day. Um, we've got a 500 odd point from about 36,800 to 36,200. I think what's going to be critical is going to be these levels around 300 or so. If it starts breaking, there can be upward movement. If it breaks 850 or so, then it can be upward movements. Otherwise, it's a day where maybe this gap gets covered around 36,500 odd levels. So we may see again, depending on where the market opens. If it opens up flat, might come cover this up properly and then either make its move downwards or upwards. So it's hard to say, but again, since we've got a wide spread, we're kind of hoping to take full advantage of it, hoping for the decay to kick in. One of the things that we noticed was Friday at the beginning of trading week. So Friday beginning for 23rd, straddles usually open up anywhere between 650 to 600 odd levels. And if today, which is Tuesday, we've closed at 717, IVs were at 15. So any move and the IVs will go up, straddle prices will go up, because if those moves don't come, 717, how much decay will I get for tomorrow, Wednesday, and then how much will I get for Thursday if Friday typically opens up around 650, 630 odd level? That's 100 points. Is there only 50 rupees in premium decay left for tomorrow and day after, which seems very little? But with IV so low, that's one of our big concerns. If there's any major spike, especially if a major spike happens downwards, IVs come up, all that premium will start getting eaten up. So that's kind of how our day went for today and our plan for tomorrow. 36,500 levels will be interesting. Today's high of 750, which is again 36,800 odd levels, is going to be the movement for the first half of the day that we're really interested in, to see what can actually happen so that we can build our positions so we can end the week in profit.